put into perspective how many of these adults are affected by addiction?
You know, it's really hard to know because it's so underdiagnosed. Our society, we focus a lot on the younger people in addiction, but we don't look much at the older folks. And a lot of times when we do look at the older folks, the medical concerns are what we see first. So we don't look underneath it to what's causing those medical concerns. Now, the Journal of the AMA did a study, and they found in a little over 10 years that alcohol use increased by over 20%. That's a lot. But here's the real kicker, that harmful drinking increased by over 100%.
100%.
Binge drinking is a real problem for people 65 and older. And then people who moved into from risk drinking to addiction increased over 60%. So we're just seeing this tsunami really take off with people 65 and older.
But I know that it can even happen as young as younger than 65, and you call the 50 that magic number. Why?
Yeah, really the research says between 45 and 50, and that's because metabolically we start to change. So that's why we cut it off at 50. But 45 for some people can be where they start to move into a higher risk group. We know that young people are at high risk. We've known that for years. And the reason for that is because of the developing brain. Anytime you put alcohol and drugs into a developing brain, it's more likely to get addicted. So we've known that's a high-risk group. But what we don't talk about is older adults are at a high-risk group. And again, it's physiological. As we age, everything slows down a little bit inside us. So that same 1 to 2 drinks that we had all our life with no problem, all of a sudden the body's treating it like 4 to 5 drinks maybe, or 3 to 4 drinks. So even the definition of binge drinking for people your age would be, for a woman, 4 drinks in 2 hours, or for a man, 5 drinks in 2 hours. For older adults, the definition of binge drinking is 2 drinks for a woman in 2 hours. How many women do you know that are drinking 2 drinks easily? But that's considered binge drinking, or 3 drinks for a man. So, because the body just can't handle it like it used to.